So hello guys, once again, this is Sage the programmer, and today's when I'm looking into my assignments, we are going to be looking for a C program that can simply return our name as Joel. So like you can enter, this is specifically under some registration processes that when you're trying to enter a name and then it's like, is this so and so who has entered, then it will be bringing some output. So today we are going to be looking at the simple C program that can return our name, and the desired name for today will be Joel. So it's going to be looking at, is the user input Joel? If it's not, then it will be returning something. So here we are going to be applying the use of strings, but then simply are trying to use a C program. That's why I use the file extension as joel.c, as you can see. So we are going to start with something that's a new normal, like our culture in C programming. We'll be using the hashtag include stdio.h. But what's different here? We are going to also bring up the string, the use of strings. Or if at all you haven't learned about strings, then you'll be having a simple explanation about strings in our further vlogs. So here we are going to be using the hashtag include again. Then here we are going to be applying the string. So it will be string.h. So here I'm going to again start with our int main. So this is something that's our daily routine in C programming. But here I'm going to be including the character name. So character, we are using that char, then the character name. After writing the character name, I include our box brackets as you can see them. Then I say is equal to, then I put our name Joel in brackets. So Joel is our name that we want, that's the character that we want. So then I'll be using character in our box bracket, that will be the number of characters that the user must input. So here I'm going to be printing f. I'll use printf, then I open my brackets, I use my quotes, and then I ask the user, enter username. So it will be looking into this username to know whether it's Joel or not. So after writing this, I will have to close again my that line of mine. Then I'll be scanning f. What has the user input? This is the our scan f helps us to know what the user has input. So I'll use %s. The %s is for the string, so it will be calling upon our string. Then I will put a comma and then use my underscore. Then I'll write n to know which name the user's input. So afterwards, I'm going to use this strcmp, our string compilation, and then I open my brackets and I'm like n for n comma, then I'll put the name. Then after closing my brackets, I'll inquire from my program, is the name equivalent to that? So here it's sort of also using an integram. Then after inquiring whether the name is equal to what I've wanted, it will print f. Then it will be telling me that the name is Joel. Or else if at all the name is not Joel, what's my program going to be doing? So I'll be putting my quotes, my colon, sorry. Then I'll also be printing f. What is my next? What should my program bring out if at all the name is not Joel? So it will be telling me the name isn't Joel. Then later on I'll have to return. So this is something like a simple program that can be good for our startup. Then I'll try to run it and see what it will be bringing for me. So it's showing me that there is something here. Then what could you think the problem could be? I haven't closed here. So it will be necessary for all of us to be closing each line that we are done in C programming. So I'll put my semicolons, and then when I try to compile and run again, then it will be telling me enter username. Then I'll put something like, let me say Ashraf. It will be telling me that the name isn't Joel. But then when I try to run it again, and I put the user input as Joel, it will be telling that the name isn't Joel. Why is it like so? The name that I wanted, the Joel, should be in capital letter. it should have a J with a capital letter. So the J that I've used is not having a capital letter. So when I do try again and I try using the name Joel, it has told me that the name is Joel. So that's the simple program that we wanted to do. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about programming languages.